Okay, so we're making steak au poivre.
Steak au poivre. Steak au poivre.
It's like, yeah, we're gonna make Brussels sprouts, we're gonna make steaks, and we're gonna make some french fries. So we're gonna do steak frites. Let's do it. Kosher salt. Okay, first things first, let's cut these Brussels sprouts. Okay, so I was supposed to be in France this week, and I'm not, so we're gonna make a steak frites. We're gonna do a steak au poivre, a nice peppercorn sauce, and some Brussels sprouts, and some fries. So let's get to it. Let's cut these Brussels sprouts first. Okay, these are kind of duds. We're not going to use them. The thing about Brussels sprouts is when you make them, you need a lot of oil, and you want to put them all face down. Well, cut side down. I don't know if it's face down. I don't know their faces. Anyway, at this time we're going to start the Brussels sprouts. We're also going to put the fries in the oven. So let's get that going. Small kitchen in your city apartment. All right, let's do it. Olive oil. Good, decent amount. Okay, so before we start the Brussels sprouts, we're going to salt these steaks. Now you can either make your own cured peppercorns, which takes some time. This is a quarter cup of lemon juice, a quarter cup of white vinegar, I think 3 teaspoons of kosher salt, or you can cheat and you can get cured peppercorns in a jar, which is what I'm doing. Okay, what you're gonna do, get some cognac, Hennessy, and you're going to turn off the fire. Make sure it's turned off. And you're going to have all this good oil and all that good stuff right there. And you're going to take about, this is 100 mLs, 50 mLs. You're going to pour it in there. Make sure the fire's off. Get all the good stuff off the bottom of the pan, and then you're going to turn the fire back on. You're going to add some fresh thyme. Turn that up. We are going to throw our garlic that we used to season the oil before back in there. We're gonna put our shallots in there. I'm just gonna let that all reduce down even more. Scrape all that good stuff off the bottom of the pan. When you're ready, with the measuring cups, we're going to scoop the shallots, the garlic, all those things out. Here. Then you don't have to take them all out, but just so it's not chunky pieces everywhere. Just so I take a little bit out. Just take this out. You can just place this on top of the meat. And we're going to flavor that back. Okay. Now we're going to add a couple of teaspoons of the peppercorns. This spoon doesn't fit, so I'm just going to pour it over, and I want to get that brine in there. Because they're softened and they're not going to crack your teeth because they're brined. Okay, I'm going to add those in. Yeah, like a little bit more than a quarter. Third, maybe? I don't know. Yeah. Third a cup. 1 tablespoon. Throw that in there. Put these steaks in there. Back in the pan.